Welcome. Today in front of me Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should go into the settings application and then open the Wi-Fi section. Just to activate Wi-Fi, you should click here once on the switcher, and after that we can see here all the available networks, and just to connect one from these networks, for example, let's go with this one. Here we can enter our device password, the network password. To see the password, to have no some mistakes, you should click here once on this icon, and now I'll just enter the password out of screen. So now just to connect, you should click on the right upper corner. Now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. If you want to sure, you can select one more network, that's just okay. For example, enter by the same way the password, click to connect, then after that, for example, you can switch by yourself here, or you can use the Wi-Fi assistant to auto connect to the best Wi-Fi network. So if you want to turn on the Wi-Fi, you should click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first open the notification panel, and here you'll see the Wi-Fi icon. Click once on the icon to activate the Wi-Fi, and to launch the Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon, and you can see. So that's how it looks. If you want to turn it off, just click here once again on the Wi-Fi icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.